Saan po si Mamina? Palakpakan naman natin si Ma'am. Opo. Masakit po kasi mali ako sa spelling eh. At saka mga English, mahina tayo dyan. Si Mamina ang aming pong guide pagdating po sa mga ganitong bagay. Of course, ang aming pong staff, si Miss Rose Jane Gregorio. Now, this paradigm has different headers. Okay? Dito sa mga headers na to, andyan yung sa learners, for example, andyan yung enrollment, SNED, ALS. What happened, Bella? Okay. So, in our learners tab, it contains the enrollment, SNED, ALS, Open High School, Madrasa, NLPA, Balik-Aral data. Everything that is about the learners' data supposed to be there. The personal tab shows you the teaching, non-teaching, teaching-related items, and the trainings that are conducted for teachers. So magkaroon tayo ng magandang communication pagdating sa HRD, though lagi naman kami nag-uusap, we could improve this kung meron pa kayong gustong idagdag. Because this is open for us. No? Kasi hindi lang naman ito para ngayong taon. Hindi lang naman ito for 2025. Ito ay magsisilbing repository of all our data, information, even for the coming years. So that when our top management needs something, hindi na kayo maghahalongkat, dito na sila pipindot. Dito na nila ina-download yung listahan, ilan ba yung estudyante ng school year na to, etc. So the assessment results contains the NAT, ELNA, CARLA, ARMA, TOEFL, FILIRI, FISA, if meron, NC passers and ANE passers. For the learning resources, should contain the textbooks, data, tablet, laptops, classroom TV, SLMs, Wi-Fi connectivity, and other resources. For the educational facilities, engineer, ang favorite nating lahat, buildings, classroom, ongoing construction, and comfort room. Sinama ko rito, no? For the health and well-being, andito yung medical and dental services record, ARH, yung ating reproductive health, NDEF, National Drug Education Program, SMH, School Mental Health, SDMP, of course, School-Based Feeding Program, WINS data, bullying, sports data, even the 4-piece beneficiaries are here. So, dito natin sila lahat ilalagay. And then, on the tabs below, you will see the QBEDP targets, our regional targets, our lahat ng target, annual accomplishment reports through the years, dito natin siya i-store. We have even the CESPES of our bosses, the DEDP, the 3-year plan,